Oh, what's the matter? You can't find the band?
How'd you know?
Rock stars, am I right? They are late for everything. Oh, wow. They're supposed to be doing the show now.
Yeah, what can you do? Seriously, what can you do?
Welcome, everyone.
What's happening?
People!
Scooter?
What's happening?
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Gonzo?
Great crowd. They love my stall tactics. They can't get enough.
I'm going back in.
Here I come, girls.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how.
You okay?
Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced LIMO.
Hey, how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of
You
them?
know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone? Get moving.
Come on, guys.
Please head through the alley to Muppet houses.
Everybody, well, Binky, here goes nothing.
Just a moment while I connect concert audio. Binky, you forgot to put on your earmuffs.
Joining us on this one is someone who's like pure sunshine, Kelly Clarkson.
Oh, Janice, it's so great to be up here with you in the Electric Mayhem.
Time to go to the bathroom before the next song?
We can't, you old fool! We're bolted to the seats! Here's something wrong with your foot! I couldn't even hear the music over all their screaming!
Yeah, it was great.
Keep it up, please!